Welcome back to another video for Your Soul Evolution. My name is Erin and I help people to evolve spiritually and to awaken to new perspectives. Do you have a case of the Mondays? Why is Monday such a drag for so many people? Well, in this video, I'm going to explain why and help you break out of the Monday matrix. Have you seen on social media how every Sunday night everyone is posting about how devastated they are that the weekend is over and that a new Monday is about to begin? This is social conditioning at its finest. What has happened is that over time, we have created a very powerful thought structure around Mondays. This is caused when there are so many people believing one thought and putting that out into the universe. This is actually called a pendulum, and it is something that's in a book called Reality Transurfing by Vadim Zeland, which I hope to get more into in the channel at a later time. Pendulums, or these thought structures, are around us at any given time, every single day, whether we're aware of them or not. There are pendulums around sports teams, around religion, around political parties, around race. There is a pendulum around pendulums. And what we can do is become aware of those pendulums and begin to take our power back. What I invite you to do is to set intentions on Sunday night before you go to bed that you're going to have an amazing Monday. By setting the intentions, you are going to increase the probability that you have a fabulous Monday. When you are putting it out there that you're dreading Monday and you don't want Monday to come, you are setting yourself up to not have a very good day. You are putting it out to the universe that you're going to have a very slow day, that it's just going to drag by. And so instead of wasting your time doing that, you could just decide and make a choice to have a good Monday and to put that out there. And the more you become of these thought structures and pendulums around you, the more that they will not be able to affect you. The job of a pendulum is to remain alive. So anytime there's so many people feeding it day after day, minute after minute, it's just going to continue to grow. That is the job of the pendulum, or this thought structure. Okay, it wants to survive and it's feeding off the energy. It is made of pure energy. So it is just feeding off of everyone's energy constantly. But as we become aware of those pendulums and we make the choice that we do not want to be sucked in by them, then they become powerless over us. So that is what's happened with Monday. So in conclusion, when you get to work on Monday or wherever you have to go Monday morning and you feel that pendulum trying to pull you in, which may be someone saying, oh God, I hate Mondays. This is just how Mondays go. Mondays are the worst, etc., etc. That is that pendulum trying to pull you back in, okay? And it will, and it may feel comfortable just to get on that train and let it take you in. But you can say no and change your thought to something else. When you feel that trying to suck you in, just make the choice in your mind that you want to move on to something else and let that person have their bad Monday, or whatever Monday that they've put the intention out there to receive. So I challenge you Sunday night before you go to bed to set the intention so that you increase the probability of having an amazing Monday. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I encourage you to give Monday a chance. You're hurting its feelings. If you would like access to our longer videos, you can click the link at the bottom to join our monthly membership mastermind group. Please subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, please share it with someone who would find it beneficial. Thank you.